Thanks for joining GriffinOT's online training. This quick video is designed to show you how to use your coupon link. After you've paid for our training, you will receive an access link within 48 hours. This will either be sent within the text of an email, or if your school has paid for the training, there might be a PDF document with the link in it. You will need to click on the link and this will take you to the course page. We're using the sensory training as an example, but the link you have been provided with will take you to the course you have purchased. On this page, there'll be an option to enroll. You need to click on this link and it will take you down to the bottom of the page where you can then enroll for free. Make sure that you have checked the box that says 100% discount. This will then take you to a page where you're asked to enter your details. If you're already logged in, it will take you straight to the course. If you already have a training account with us, you can click on the Login with My Teachable option and use your email and existing password to join the training. If you don't have an account, please follow the joining instructions and enter your details to create an account. When you join, it is helpful if you check the box for receiving instructional emails, as sometimes we send out emails with updates on the training or any problems that might be being experienced within the training or the platform. Thanks for joining our training. We know you'll enjoy it and find it helpful.